So for the first few months of trying affiliate marketing, I was making almost nothing. I'm talking a few dollars here, a few dollars there. Some months were literally zero. And I kept watching videos, reading guides, and trying different things, but nothing was really clicking. And then I made one fundamental shift in how I was approaching the whole thing. And in the 12 months after that shift, I crossed $10,000 in affiliate commissions. With no ads, no budget, just a strategy that actually works. So in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how I made that happen, step by step, so that you can do the same thing. The problem most beginners have. Okay, so let me start by being honest with you, because I think this is really important. Most people who try affiliate marketing go about it completely the wrong way. And I was one of those people. I was doing what everyone told me to do, posting on social media, trying to rank blog posts, spamming links in Facebook groups, and the results were, honestly, embarrassing. And here's the thing that nobody really talks about. The affiliate marketing space is enormous. Like genuinely enormous. The global industry is now worth over $17 billion, and it's growing every single year. So the opportunity is absolutely real. But the problem is that most beginners are trying to compete in the most crowded places possible, with zero authority and zero budget. And I think that's the wrong game to play entirely. The shift that changed everything. So what was the one shift I made? I stopped chasing free social media traffic that leads nowhere, and I started using Bing. Now I know what you might be thinking. Bing? Really? But hear me out, because this is actually where the strategy gets really interesting. Most affiliates completely ignore Bing. They're all fighting over Google traffic, which means insane competition and very slow results for beginners. But Bing is a different story. Bing's user base skews heavily toward Tier 1 countries, the US, the UK, Canada, Australia. These are the people with buying power. These are the people who actually pull out their credit cards. And because most affiliates are sleeping on Bing, there's a genuine gap that you can step into right now. And the method I use to tap into that traffic costs almost nothing. We're talking around $60 a year. That's it. The full strategy, step by step. Let me walk you through the exact process so you understand how this actually works in practice. Step 1. Picking the right product. The first thing I do is head to one of the major affiliate platforms. The ones I personally use are ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, MaxWeb, BuyGoods, and Explodely. There are others, but these are the ones I keep coming back to. Now, when I'm picking a product, I'm not just grabbing whatever has the highest commission. I have a specific checklist. First, I check whether a good domain name is available that closely matches that product. Second, I verify the product already has an affiliate link I can use, and if it needs approval, I apply for it. I'll actually include an approval request format in the video description for you. And third, I check that the product sales page is already getting more than 10,000 visitors per month. You can verify this using the free Chrome extension called SimilarWeb. It takes about 30 seconds. This is important because if the sales page already has traffic, it means people are already buying. You're just going to be the one sending them there. Step 2. Building the landing page. Once I've selected the product, I create a one-page website for it. Not a massive blog, not a complex site with 20 pages, just one clean, focused landing page. Now, you can build this with WordPress if that's what you know, but honestly, I prefer a tool called MobiRise because it's way simpler and faster for this kind of thing. I'll leave a sample MobiRise affiliate template in the description. It'll come as a zip file. All you need to do is unzip it, open the project inside MobiRise, and the template loads up, ready to edit. From there, you replace the existing content with details about your product, follow the same question-based structure that's already in the template, and add your affiliate link to all the clickable buttons. That's genuinely it. The whole thing can be done in a couple of hours, even if you've never built a website before. And then you just save the page. Done. Step 3. Hosting the site. Next, you need to host your website. I use Hostinger personally. Their annual plan is around $49, and a domain will cost you around $10. So your total investment is roughly $60 for the year. And if you buy the hosting from Hostinger, you often get a free domain included, which makes it even easier to get started. Now here's something that I think really puts people's minds at ease when they hear that number. The commissions on the kinds of products I promote can range anywhere from $50 to $500 per sale. So realistically, you can recover your entire yearly cost with just one single sale. Everything after that is pure profit. Step 4. Getting indexed. The final step is where the magic actually happens, and it's probably the most underrated part of this whole strategy. Once your site is live, you need to submit it to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools for indexing. You can also submit to some free web directory sites, but Google and Bing are the ones that actually matter. Now, the honest timeline here, because I want to be transparent with you, is that after submitting to Bing, it usually takes around 15 to 20 days for your site to get indexed. If your Bing Webmaster account is brand new, it might take up to a month. But once it's indexed and the traffic starts coming in, that's when you start seeing sales. And the best part is that once it's set up, it keeps running. You're not paying for ads every single day. This is genuinely passive once it's in motion. Why this actually works. I want to zoom out for a second and explain why this method works when so many other things don't. When someone types a search query into Bing looking for a solution to a specific problem, and your landing page shows up, that person is already in buying mode. You're not interrupting them. You're not chasing them on social media. They came looking, and you were there. That's the whole game. And because your domain name closely matches the product, and your landing page is clean and focused on answering their question, Bing rewards that with rankings. No ad spend required. About 78% of successful affiliate marketers rely on organic search as their primary traffic source. Most people know this, but they're all fighting over Google. The ones who are quietly winning are the ones using Bing and doing exactly what I just described. What the numbers actually looked like. I want to be real with you about the timeline because I think it's important. The first couple of months were slow. I set up a few sites, got them indexed, and waited. The sales were small at first. $50 here, $100 there. It didn't feel like much. But the thing about this strategy is that it compounds. Each site you build adds to your income. One site might bring in a couple of sales a month. 5 sites might bring in 10. The work you do once keeps paying you. And by month 12, I crossed $10,000. No ads, no agency, no massive social media following. Just simple landing pages, smart product selection, and Bing traffic from Tier 1 countries that actually convert. How you can start this week. So here's how you apply all of this right now. Start with one product, just one. Head to any of the platforms I mentioned. Pick something that passes the checklist. Good domain available, affiliate link ready, over 10,000 monthly visitors to the sales page. Build your one-page site using the template in the description. Host it, submit it to Bing Webmaster Tools, and then wait. That's it. Your total investment is around $60. Your potential return from a single sale can cover that entirely. And I want to leave you with something that I genuinely believe. Most people overcomplicate this. They think they need a huge following, a massive budget, or years of experience. But the truth is, you just need a simple system and the patience to let it work. The opportunity in organic affiliate marketing right now is very real. The industry is growing fast. The traffic on Bing is underused. And the people who move on this early are the ones who are going to look back in 12 months and be really glad they started when they did. If you found value in this video, please do hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you want more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know how you found this video and what's working for you right now. And tell us in the comments which topic you'd like us to cover in a future video. We read every single one.